Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, Miss Niken, our dear friends, and everyone else who might be watching. For today's video, we're going to show you how to make Dalgona coffee. Before that, let's us to introduce ourselves. Hello everyone, my name is Aisyah Putih Cahyadi from class 10-2 and group 2.
My name is Sawa Zaskia Kurniawan from class 10-2 and group 2.
Hello everyone, my name is Zara Humaira from class 10-2 and group 2.
My name is Reina Manda from class 10-2 and group 2.
My name is Asad Bobi Pakpaham from class 10-2 and group 2.
Dalgona coffee was first mentioned on Korean TV program. The name Dalgona originates from an old-fashioned Korean street snacks which has a similar taste to honeycomb toffee. Dalgona coffee is whipped coffee. It is made with 4 simple ingredients as instant coffee, sugar, hot water, and milk. As more people are staying at home doing self-distancing and insulating in recent months, making Dalgona coffee became a fun new challenge to do at home. So, let's get started!
The tools for Dalgona coffee are mixer and bowl.
The ingredients for Dalgona coffee are ice cube, milk, X instant coffee, 4 tablespoon sugar, and 4 tablespoon hot water.
Combine the instant coffee, sugar, and hot water in a bowl.
Just like an emerald, set my soul on fire, make me wild like the deep blue sea.
And then mix them until the coffee and the sugar dissolve. After it dissolves, mix the coffee mixture using a fork for about a minute or more. So the mixture consistency turn into whipped cream.
Grill that makes me feel this way, got me spinning like a ballerina, feeling gangsta every time I see ya. You're the king and baby I'm the queen.
Then, prepare a glass. Next, put as many ice cubes as you like in the glass. After that, pour the milk. And then, pour your coffee mixture over the milk.
Disaster, disaster.
And let's stir well and your Dalgona coffee is ready to be served.
Got me spinning like a ballerina, feeling gangsta every time I see ya.
Mana kayak udah ini mah jatuh ke sini tuh.
Ya udah.
Ini. Titik banget.
Tada!
Kita bikin dalgona dari Nescafe.